Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix TikTok discover button missing problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open TikTok, and here you can see that a friend button is showing here and no discover button is showing. So how you can solve that? You simply need to go and open Play Store and search here TikTok and update your TikTok application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open TikTok and click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right and click on settings and privacy, and then you need to scroll down and click on logout and click on logout again and click on not now, click on logout. So wait for a few seconds, and here you can see that you are able to see discover button once you log out. So this is a process by which you can fix TikTok discover button missing problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.